Meet Indian GSAT-7A Advanced Military Communications Satellite. For exclusive military use for Indian Air Force with Indian Army using 30% of capacity. It will enhance network-centric warfare capabilities. It allows IAF to interlink different ground radar stations, ground airbase, aircraft-to-aircraft real-time control system, airborne early warning and control aircraft such as Beriev A-50 Phalcon and DRDO AEW&C. The satellite enhances network-centric warfare capabilities of the Indian Air Force in its global operations. The satellite is also used by Indian Army's Aviation Corps for real-time control and communication of its aviation operations. It is also equipped with the payload of 10 Ku-band transponders, which offers several advantages over C-band.